Hi, I'm David Menzies. I'm an educator at the National Gallery Victoria, where I've been for the last 10 years. Adrian de Mont's The Man of La Mancha, painted just over 100 years ago, is a story about a man who, based on the famous Cervantes play or writing, is about a man who's a bit delusional, lives his ordinary life and wants to save the world, you know, as being a knight in shining armour. And for me, the painting is one of my favourite. I mean, there's lots of favourites I have, but it's one of the favourites because it's one that rewards you if you spend time looking. And I think it became a favourite when I was told about this painting having something hidden in the clouds. And I went searching, and lo and behold, there were horses and men on horses. There's armies about to, you know, fight. And it got me thinking even more deeply about the work of art and its meaning. And for me, it's emblematic or symbolic of all art. You know, the more you look, the more you see, the more you understand, and the more rich your encounter is with art, but moreover, the world. It's really begging of us, I think, as art does, take time because it's essential to our humanity.